Good evening, everybody. It's July 5th, and it's a hot day today. I think we're running around 89 degrees with pretty high humidity. I don't know what the humidity is, but it's high. So we've been on vacation, and I got to come home yesterday because I got to go to work today, and I got to come out and take care of all the birds today. Dave, the poor soul, he's still stuck at the cabin. But I thought I'd give you a quick little run around and show you how things are doing. So here's the birds. Kind of quiet out here. They're all munching away on their food. I just got them a little bit ago. Had some pretty good help today. I've got my nephew Joey. He's helping me water the birds at the moment, the ducks. And I've got my little great nephew Alan. You gonna say hi?
Hi.
And a great nephew he is, by the way. But we're just about done today. I kind of did a quick run through. I put in 12 hours at work, and I wanted to get out here and take care of the birds, and they're all doing good. They're content. They got full tummies again. I guess I should say crops. They're doing good. Dave will be happy to see. He's missed his birds. He has missed taking care of his birds. Alrighty, bud. So we go show him the ducks?
Sure.
Alrighty. Bye-bye, chickie chicks. Bye, chickie chicks. Look at them all. They're doing great. Doing great. I'm coming, bud. Chow, chowing away. Alrighty.
You know what?
What, bud?
I found an egg in there, but sitting right there, but it...
Yeah? I picked it up, bud. I found it, too. There's the ducks, happy as can be, getting their water. They love their water. That's all right. She'll go back in. The gate might not have been closed. Oh, go ahead and open the gate a little bit. Go on in, and I'll walk her back. Go in the gate, bud. I'll walk her back. Come on, little one. Back in you go. All righty.
Oh, can you walk out?
Here's my little Marys. She'll get it. She'll get in on her own, hon. She climbs up the compost and comes in. Oh, my little Marys. Getting so big. Of course, my silly ducks. Loving their water. And as I was saying, my nephew Joey out here helping me today. They're doing good. Doing good. Alrighty, go take a look at the even goofier turkeys. Hi, babies. How you doing? You munching away too? Huh? Yeah. Oh yeah. Guys are growing. Growing good. Alrighty. And I know Dave really, really wants to see his garden. So I'm going to take you all over to the garden and show you how it's doing. I think you might be surprised. Hard to believe. We just mowed the deck grass about, what, 5 days ago? Hey, diamond girl. Hi, baby. You're a good girl. Huh? Look at those. They are getting so big. The corn has grown so much since we've been gone. They've been getting some pretty good rain. Look at that. Oh yeah. We definitely got squashes going. I believe these are the pumpkins. And then this corn here is the decorative corn, the red and gold corn. Wow. It's really growing. They're easily 3 times the size they were before we left. The corn was only a few inches tall. Oops, found a hole in the ground. This is awesome. Potatoes are coming along. Looking like it might be time to bury them again. Look at them. Look at them. Wow. This is wonderful. These are our melons. They're doing pretty good. Sending out some shoots. I see some blooms down there further. Oh my goodness. Need to get some weeding done again, it looks like. Tomatoes are doing good. And my carrots. Look at my carrots. Holy cow. Oh, I can't wait to try them this year. Those are going to be awesome. And of course my peas. Yeah, definitely need to do some weeding. The peas are doing amazing. And the beans. Lots of blooms. Lots and lots of blooms. We're gonna have beans coming out our ears. Sunflowers. Wow. Looking good. Looking really good. Alrighty. Try to find me a row I can walk through so I don't step on stuff. We got our wildflower flower bed. It's definitely got lots of stuff sprouting in it. Can't wait to see them bloom. That'll be interesting. My lilies are really, really coming up. Love my lilies. I'm so excited, you guys. I can't wait for us to be able to be out here all the time. Look at all the lilies. So pretty. We're out here all the time and we can work on it every day, all day. That is going to be amazing. Well, I'm going to go ahead and sign off all. I hope you all had a wonderful, wonderful 4th of July. So take it easy. God bless and see you tomorrow, honey. Bye.